In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix SSL pending error on Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Shopify admin dashboard. So if you receive the SSL pending error, it means that there is problem with your domain. So if you have bought a domain, what you can do is simply contact the uh, site or the owner of the domain where you bought it. So you need to contact them, telling them that there is problem with your domain or the SSL pending error. But the other thing that you can do is simply contact Shopify support. So just click here on the upper right corner on the My Store icon and select Help Center. Now from here, you'll see a bunch of different articles right here. So we don't need that. So you see a chat box right here. What you want to do is simply type in domain issue. And the Shopify support bot will reply to you, as you can see. But what you want to do is tell them that I want to chat with a live agent. So what you want to do is just simply ask this Shopify bot to let you chat with a live agent. So you need to convince it to chat to a live agent. So for them to give you a live agent, you need to describe your question thoroughly. So just say that you have the SSL pending error and you have problems with your domain. And now when they redirect you to a live agent, that's where that live agent is going to help you fix your problem. So just explain to them thoroughly a brief description about your problem, saying that you have this SSL pending error and you have some domain issues. And hopefully they will help you with your problem. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.